Why Apple and Meta suddenly are laser focused on Perplexity AI? Why this specific company? Let's break down why it is the ultimate prize in Silicon Valley. So, let's get started. First, let's understand what is Perplexity AI. So, Perplexity AI was launched in late 2022 by a team of ex OpenAI and DeepMind engineers. Perplexity is not here to write poems or jokes. It is an answer engine. Yes, you ask over a question and you directly get a conversational answer with the sources. The accuracy is prime and accurate, and the monthly queries of Perplexity are increasing 20% month over month. But one question arises that why Apple wants it. Apple had Siri for years, which had a big problem. You ask a complex question and it starts sending web links, which is definitely not smart and not even helpful. But Perplexity, it's like giving Siri a brain transplant that has turned it into more smarter and a good factual assistant that now understands your prompts with clarity and responds rightly on your iPhone. Also, Apple relies heavily on Google search. So instead of building from scratch, Apple can use both the proven products and its team. On the other hand, Meta wants everything to be AI generated, whether it is your Ray-Bans, WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, or much more. But here's a catch, AI needs to be trustworthy. And Perplexity's real-time and factual responses could be the brain behind it. Imagine looking at a monument through your smart glasses and getting accurate and factual responses instantly. So what's actually going all around? It is simply a battle to bypass Google. Apple wants to keep everything private and on device, while on the other hand, Meta wants it to be more social and interactive. But at the end of the day, the goal is super simple and same. They don't want to send you any more towards Google, and they want to be your trust factor. Apple could integrate Perplexity into Siri, Safari, Spotlight, and even its AR headset. While on the other hand, Meta could use it into Llama, Messenger, or smart glasses. While all these talks are going on, it has been already stated by the Perplexity CEO that he wants to stay independent. We don't know it is going to be a full buyout or a strategic partnership. So what do you think? Perplexity should partner with Apple, Meta, or should stay solo? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. If you found this video helpful and a bit informative, do like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.